Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for March 1st to the 13th. March 1st to the 5th, we have a broad cyclonic flow across much of the nation. Just south of general west to east axis of relatively low heights across southern Canada. You can see right here. And we have a ridge here across Alaska into the Arctic region. Above normal heights are forecast across southern U.S., and we'll go through the models. So bear with me, some of them are not working. And we go to the 5th. You can see what I'm talking about here. Below and above. And the axis of the low heights will contain one or more upper lows that will help to push very cold air into the central U.S. I want to talk about systems that might be affecting the east during this period. And bear with me again, these aren't working. We have our first system here, relatively weak, is this Clipper system here that would spread snow. So bear with me, I gotta do this. So that was 1 a.m. Wednesday. 10 a.m. Wednesday, see it starts working into Pennsylvania and New York State. Then we go to 4 p.m. Now it's snowing across New York, much of New York, extreme northern PA. And we go to 7 p.m. and we have snow here across much of New England. And then we go to 10 p.m. Now it's snowing across northern New Jersey into Pennsylvania and much of the northeast, rain across south. This is the experimental GFS, which should be going live in the next month. Okay, now we're going to look at which we have here. Let me see, I think this is the experimental. This is the operational GFS, yes. Kind of similar to start. This is, what did I say it was? 7 a.m. Wednesday. And you start seeing snow starting to move into New York and Pennsylvania. Then we go to 1 p.m. on Wednesday. Now it's starting to snow across Pennsylvania, northern Pennsylvania, western central New York into northern New Jersey. So the operation is showing a little bit more precipitation. Then we go to 10 p.m. Oh, we don't have a 10 p.m. All right, we'll go to 7 p.m. Wednesday. Now it's snowing across much of this area here. And we'll go to 1 a.m. and snowing across northern New Jersey, Pennsylvania, some ice mixed in. And then we'll look at the GFS. This GFS ensembles. Notice where the 540 line is here. Probably snow to the north. Here's the 540 line. I had to go back. That was the wrong map. This is like Wednesday evening. That was 7 p.m. Wednesday. Then we go to 1 a.m. Thursday. You know, now we have snow to the north. And then we look at the European deterministics. 540 line is down here across southern New Jersey, southern southwestern PA. Probably snow to the north. And then we go to 1 a.m. Thursday, and it's snowing. Oh, wait, that's the wrong map. That's GFS. Here's 1 a.m. Wednesday. We have a 540 line down here. Snow to the north. So it's a quick moving system, not light. But then we have a more significant system that might affect the region later in the period. Now we'll go to 7 a.m. on Monday. Start seeing snow here across this region. This is And then we'll go to 4 p.m. on Friday. Okay, and then we'll go to 10 p.m. Shows rain here. This is the experimental GFS. And then we'll go to 7 a.m. Wednesday, on Monday. Now we start to have a system down here starting to develop. And then we'll go to the operational GFS. It's 7 a.m. or we'll go to 1 a.m. We'll go to 7 p.m. on Sunday. Now you start seeing snow across this region here. We have cold high pressure moving down here. This is all snow across this area, mixed ice and snow, and then rain. And then we'll go to 1 a.m. Monday, or we'll go a little bit further, 7 a.m. Monday. Now the system starts moving into the east. You see snow, and now where the 540 line is, it's way down here across Virginia. This is snow, there's ice down here, and then rain. And then we'll go, let me see, 7 p.m. Monday. And the storm starts moving out. Now we look at the GFS. Oh, that was a GFS. Sorry, we'll look at the deterministics, European deterministics. That was 1 a.m. on Sunday. We're going to go to 1 p.m. on Sunday. Here's the storm center down here. This is one thing that the European has it more to the south. GFS showing more of the snow. Okay, and then we'll go to 1 a.m. Monday. And we have snow maybe this looks like turning to rain or a mixture, because here's the 540 line right here across southern northern New Jersey and southern PA. So all this to the north might be a mixture in snow, and then to the south will be rain. But then another system, all right, so that's all we have there. Then we have a system affecting the west. Let's see, we're going to go here. Here's one system, snow and rain. That was 7 a.m. Wednesday. Now we're going to go to 7 p.m. I have to speed this up a little bit. And start seeing another system here moving in. So the northwest into the Intermountain West might remain unsettled. Okay, we're going to go now look at the period from March 4th to the 8th. A ridge is forecast over Alaska and the Arctic and the Southwest. You can see we have a ridge. Whoops. We have a ridge down here. And we have a trough over the east. Miles a pretty good agreement with that. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for much of the nation. Now look at these anomalies. This could very much be true. Right now I'm saying 6 to 18 degrees or more will be possible below normal, especially here across the plains due to the below normal heights across southern Canada. And then we have above normal temperatures for the Four Corners in California, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then I have below normal precipitation for this region, the plains of Mississippi Valley. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now I'll look at the period from March 9th to 13th. A flat flow is depicted by many of the models, and the height fields remain the same, generally above normal to the south, below normal height to the north. So I have our ridge here over Alaska. but the anomalies, temperature anomalies, will be not as extreme. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperature for much of this area here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 8 to 12 degrees below normal, and then above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for much of the area east of the Mississippi River, probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And just one note, I think after around the 17th, I think we'll be making a turnaround, and it'll get warmer in the east, and we'll start going into spring. I'm kind of saying that hedge with a little bit of caution, but that's what I see in the pattern. We'll have a smooth transition, not like what we had last year. Okay, that's all for now, and have a good day.